This is the release of the sea. You learn about the sea. I learn about the sea. A pufferfish, a sea lion, a dolphin, a rockfish, a pufferfish, a sea lion, a rockfish. What? Starfish, a rockfish, a lobster, a flatfish, a puff, a stingray, a pufferfish,
Good job.